Doing much better. What's good? The biggest gamer 647. These eggs are good. Do you think games are good? I'm about to eat this. Investing in yourself is good. Breathing is good. Eating is good. Surviving is good. Being able to plan and strategize is good. What's good with you? Thank you for liking. Thank you for being here.
Here we have the current stock market update for MicroCloud Hologram Incorporated.
Do you trade?
Stock ticker HOLO. Before we begin, if you find these educational materials to be helpful in your trading, please remember to click the like and subscribe buttons and leave your thoughts in the comment section below so that other traders will be able to find this information more easily on the platform.
Thank you for being here. Thank you for liking.
This really is the type of chart that needs to be looked at in order to truly identify the recent trend movements that have occurred in this stock. As we know, mostly we can pull back this price chart. We see a very long period of decline.
You wish what?
Start to look at this chart in these longer term time.
You wish you were eating? You wish you were trading? You wish you were good? You wish what? What do you wish?
Share price itself has really started to flatline.
You wish you were going through wisdom teeth eruption? That's what I'm going through. That's probably why I have such an extreme diet. How long have you been trading for? Michael.
As we can see here, the share price itself did see a massive run higher recently. We saw prices move from roughly $30 per share. This would have occurred during the August 19 trading session, was roughly the breakout point here.
Thank you for being here, Michael.
Price high is coming in at 76 cents. This would have developed, the price high would have developed on August 23rd, 2024. So as we can see here,
how long have you been doing it?
This is a very substantial run higher in a very short period of time. We're only talking about 4 days here, and the share price itself more than doubled. So it's not something you normally see in the market. You're certainly not going to see something like that with a Microsoft or an Nvidia, but this is more common with small cap stocks, and that is the reason we tend to focus on small cap stocks in the members-only section of the trading platform. However, what we should say here is that there should be.
What's up, ashamed boy? Why are you ashamed?
Because these companies are often unprofitable.
What else are you doing besides learning, Michael?
In addition to that, there is often less coverage.
And why specifically Forex? Why not just common stock? I dead ass just spit on this mic with food.
When we're dealing with companies that are not as popular in the market. So for these reasons, we do tend to focus on small cap stocks in the members only section of this trading platform.
Why do you have to be ashamed about something that you were caught doing in the bathroom, Mike? Ashamed? Why don't be ashamed. Be proud of. How many hours a week do you work, Michael? How old are you? Aren't you talking about 60 plus hours a week? You should be put more time into training, man. Trading.
However, what we have to understand here is that there's a significant amount of wood that needs to be chopped here because, you can go back to these prior price highs, which came in at $97, $97.70 was actually seen, during the early parts of 2024. So, this is a very substantial price movement to the downside because we're not even trading at 97 cents at this point. So, this is a very substantial price movement in a very short period of time. So,
I haven't done Forex, but you can have a fast turnaround with common stock. You just gotta know which ones to pick, how to play it. I bet you will get there, Michael, but it all depends on where there is. The most important thing is in life, you have to have a goal. If you don't have a goal, you're just living and you can't fail. You got to be in a position where you have to be pushed to get something that you want. It's not worth it just to exist as you are, happy and content with yourself forever. Develop yourself. Stay true to who you are, because nobody else is going to put the work into you like you will.
Support that outlook.
That was a free one for you.
Seem to agree with that outlook as things currently stand here. I mean, we've seen share prices fall from 90.
Michael, you can have a fast turnaround trading common stock, okay? You can make money in a short amount of time trading common stock, and let me tell you, yes, you're right about you'll get there one step at a time, day by day, but nobody is going to be able to push you in your life like you will be able to push you, because only you know what you can and can't do. And if you're not even a real hard mother screwer, you won't even know how far you can go. Unless you've been disciplined for a long amount of time, ate the same foods for years, worked out for years, even if you just don't know how to be that demon unless you are a winner. And I'm gonna be honest, man. Some people live the lifestyle of a demon even though they're not a winner. You have to be really well-rounded to be able to enjoy life to the highest level.
$97 per share.
Thank you for being here.
In a matter of months. So, I mean, this is an incredibly volatile year. Unfortunately, we encountered this type of price volatility in the members-only section of the trading room. All of those stocks are trading higher by, but there are stocks that have traded higher, 75% higher in 3 weeks. These are sustained moves. These are things that don't just retrace themselves immediately, which is what we saw in this name here. So clearly, this is a dangerous stock here. This is not, this is not something that people should just be jumping into without some knowledge of what's going on.
Thank you for being here.
Without some belief that we have actually managed to find a bottom in your current trade levels. So the question that I would have, I mean, some people in the prior video, some people suggested in the comments that this 30-cent mark was the bottom, and the reason that they would say that the reason we know this is because we saw such a substantial bounce off of those price levels. But what happened a day or two later was that share price simply fell right back into that area. You can see it bounce again from there roughly. You can see this bounce here roughly at 30 cents. We did see near-term highs coming in at 44.5 cents, which from a percentage perspective is a significant price move.
You're battle tested.
Within the broader context, this
How old are you, Michael? And is it Michael or Mike? Michael.
So, you're dealing with a very short-term time frame here. And the question people need to ask themselves, this is another thing that I'm just curious to hear about in the comment section. I mean, are you interested in holding the stock for a long period of time, or is this a short-term kind of day trading, scalping type of trade? I am curious to understand why people are actually holding this stock, and also I'm curious to find out where people actually earn this stock. There are a lot of financial YouTubers that have to word financial in air quotes because a lot of these people have no idea what they're doing at all. They have no real experience trading in the market. This is just a person that wanted to start a YouTube channel. It doesn't mean they're profitable in the market. So I think some of these people were suggesting, that they
We're about halfway done.
So I'm wondering,
Did you work out today?
that inspire people to look at this name because I do think without a YouTuber we need to answer some fairly significant questions about where exactly the trade was entered, because if you say bought in, I don't know, $10 per share or something like that, you're looking at massive losses at this point. And I do think those people should have to take some account for their actions. And I really do think that they actually have their channel removed. If you're recommending a stock to people that just completely plummets to the floor and people are losing a lot of money in the process, I don't understand how these people are allowed to have financial YouTube channels where they talk about stocks. So for all these reasons, I do suggest that people take a look at the members-only section of the trading platform. We have much more stable stock trades available, stocks that are not plummeting from $97 to 30 cents in a matter of a few months. This is really dangerous stuff, and I do think that people should start to look elsewhere in terms of stock choices. So here's the current stock market update for Microcloud Hologram Incorporated, stock ticker HOLO. Our high-value trading strategies membership is currently available for a limited time for only $9.99 per month.
All right, well, congratulations for making it to this birthday, Michael. You're right. Nobody needs any sort of explanation for who you are. But I think if you live your life thinking that you know every answer all the time, you're kidding yourself. But I am no God. I am not any better than you, and I can't tell you how to be. So thank you for even just being Michael. You the man, Michael. Does that sound just fake and just disingenuous? Wouldn't you rather hear, "Oh, really, Michael? That specific fact about you, that's so cool, man. That actually is really badass," instead of like, "Oh, well, you're bad no matter what, Michael. Congratulations for living." That's some that's some baby stuff. That's some baby stuff, Michael. I'm not the man, Michael. I'm not the man. I know that. Michael, I appreciate you for that. If that's a compliment, or if it's just a fact, it's just a fact. I'm about to be done with this whole pan, guys. It was not that long, less than 13 minutes.
Here we have the current stock market update for Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation, stock ticker DJT. Before we begin, if you find these educational materials to be helpful in your trading, please
That is it.
like and subscribe to our news. Leave your thoughts in the comments section below. So other traders will be able to find this information more easily on the platform. So here we have the 4-hour price chart. As you can see, the share price did close near the lows, with the ultimate low currently being seen at $19.34. As we can see here, overall, the momentum for these price declines has continued to slow down as time has progressed. So initially, we were seeing this major spike high post attempts, and then from there, we did start to see a nice round of strong but the rate at which these declines are occurring has slowed down. So, in addition to all of this, we can see that the near-term gains in the trading volumes have also
There we go.
diminished. So, while we do see mostly red trading bars here in the trading volumes, what we can see as well is that
That was all. We're gonna drink another energy drink. We're gonna get
where prices have moved higher, as you can see here during the August 21st trading session. So, for the most part, trading volumes go far in confirming whether or not price action is sustainable or valid. And as we can see here, the trading volumes themselves continue to decline as share price momentum continues to slow. So overall, if you are, for example, a short seller in this stock, this isn't really a great scenario. I mean, I don't know. I wouldn't, if I was going to short sell a stock, I wouldn't really be looking at a scenario like this as an opportunity to start to get into a position, because as things currently stand here, this does look like negative sentiment within the market is slowing down, and that base is starting to form. So if you want to short sell a stock into a base, you're obviously more than welcome to do that. But I just don't really see much of an argument here, which would suggest that share prices are likely to accelerate in terms of downside price momentum. I mean, that's just not being seen anywhere in this chart. So if we pull out a bit here and look at the indicator readings, we can see some additional pieces of evidence which do suggest that share prices are likely to at least form a base here near term. As I said in the prior video, I'm not ready to call a bottom here just yet. I don't think that we have enough evidence to say that a firm bottom is in place. But what we can say is that it's definitely that the rate of change here is slowing down. And then in addition to that, you do have this bullish divergence condition that I have mentioned in prior videos here. So essentially what is occurring right now is we're closing near these lows of $19.34, but as you can see in the indicator reading, we're not seeing new lows in the indicator reading itself. So the relative strength index in this way can work as a leading indicator, moving ahead of share prices and spotting situations where price declines are not being confirmed by the indicator. So in addition to the fact that trading volumes are not really confirming these price movements lower, we can also say that the indicator readings are not confirming these price movements lower. What we can see currently is that there is a bullish divergence condition in the reading itself. So as I said, the price is closing to $19.34. The indicator reading here, which we can see in purple at the bottom of the price chart here, is not forming new lows. I mean, if the indicator reading in this case were confirming these price lows, what you would see would be a relative strength index reading that would be somewhere below 1620, 16.2, because this is where the indicator reading was posting as the share price was hitting prior lows at 2483. So given the fact that the indicator reading itself is moving higher, what you have here is a bullish divergence condition. And one thing that I have noticed, I mean, nearly every comment that's left in the comment section about this stock seems to deal a lot more with Donald Trump's personality rather than the chart analysis itself, or rather than what is actually going on in share prices.
Thank you for being here. Oh, you the man, brother. That's an actual fact. Thank you for being here. Let me know. Am I as fat as you expected I would be? Am I as juicy as you might have thought? I'm all ears. Thank you very much.